Ever tried to using an app but got stuck because you could not remember how to navigate it? Or maybe you visited a website and instantly knew everything without thinking. That's because some designs rely on memory and some designs guided you intuitively. Welcome back to our series on design of everyday thing. In chapter 3, we will explore the knowledge in the head and the knowledge in the world, a crucial concept for designing intuitive apps and website. When using any app or website, we rely on two types of knowledge. Knowledge in the head, that is what users have to remember. For example, if an app requires you to memorize some complex gesture to access a particular menu, that is relying on knowledge in the head. Then, knowledge in the world. This is information built into the interface itself, guiding users without requiring memory. Think of a shopping cart icon in an e-commerce app. It instantly tells you where to check out. The best UI UX design minimize the need for user to remember things by making navigation obvious and intuitive. Let's look at some real-world examples. Bad examples. Relying too much on knowledge in the head. A hidden swipe gesture in email apps like Gmail and Apple Mail. In email app, you can swipe right on an email to archive it or swipe left to delete it. However, there are no visible buttons indicating these features. Users must learn and remember these swipes exist. A new user who doesn't know might manually tap on an email and then look for delete or archive button, making their experience slower. So now the question is, how can designers balance knowledge in the head and knowledge in the world to create better user experience? First of all, minimize the need for memory. Instead of relying on users to remember complex gesture and hidden menus, use visual cue and intuitive design elements. For example, Instagram initially had their archive option under the long press gesture, but later they introduced a clear button to make it easier to find. Now, use progressive disclosure. Not every feature needs to be visible at all times, but important ones should be easy to find. Think of how Google Docs hides advanced options in menus but keeps basic functions like bold, italic font size clearly accessible. Now, leverage familiar design patterns. Users are accustomed to standard design elements. A search bar on the top, a shopping cart icon in the e-commerce app, and a floating plus button to add new content. These help user to interact naturally without any confusion. By integrating these principles, you can create an app experience where users don't have to rely on the memory. They just know what to do as soon as they see the interface. Great UI UX reduce the reliance on the memory by providing clear and intuitive navigation. If users don't have to stop and think how to use your app, you have done your job well. So, this was the main content according to me in the chapter 3. If you want me to cover any other topic, just let me know. And also, let me know in the comment what is the most confusing app you have ever used. And also, if you are enjoying the series, please hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for chapter 4, where we will explore how constraint shapes great design. See you in the next episode.